Welcome to the EXP Group, one of the leading providers of business training solutions. Please enjoy this presentation and visit us on the web at www.theexpgroup.com for more information.
Hello again and welcome to today's ACCA Paper P3 Business Analysis Learning video. We're now on the final chapter, Chapter 10 of our Express Notes, which as you're probably aware can be downloaded free of charge from our website www.theexpgroup.com. Now, Chapter 10 is talking all about financial analysis and people. As the word cloud suggests, we have the word cloud at the start of each chapter, highlights the key words. So, stakeholders, analysis, financial, stakeholders. So we'll be talking through areas like this. First of all then, let's look at the big picture. Now, you're probably already aware of this, but financial analysis is looked at elsewhere within the ACCA syllabus. But with P3, it is not a financial analysis paper, but you must use financial information that will be given to you in the case study. You must use that to support, or as our notes say, enhance your arguments. So in other words, please do not ignore the financial information, but at the same time do not go overboard and spend a lot of time analysing financial information. Okay, some key knowledge here we've got is financial expectations of stakeholders. Now this is also ties in with how do we evaluate strategic options. How do we evaluate strategic options? Now you may well remember Johnson and Scholes from earlier on in your studies of paper P3. But Johnson and Scholes argue that strategic options are evaluated using 3 steps. The first one, is it suitable? Is it suitable? So what this is saying is, okay, we've come up with an idea, a strategic plan. Is it suitable? Does it fit with what the business is doing? Does it work with one of the strategic models? So an example we've got here, does it take advantage of an opportunity or reduce a threat? Now that would be dealing with SWOT analysis, for example. The next one, feasible. Is it feasible? Would it work? Is it going to have sufficient resources available to make it feasible? The next one, acceptable. Is it acceptable? The first question say, is it acceptable to whom? Acceptable to whom? Well, who are the key stakeholders? Remember we had Mendelow's matrix with the level of interest and the level of power. So we'd have to identify the key players. If it's acceptable, then the techniques to use would include NPV, ROCE, and various other financial issues there. Okay, what we're going to do then in tomorrow's video, we'll talk you through an example, a fairly recent example of Johnson and Scholes. Is it suitable? Is it feasible? Is it acceptable? So thank you for listening to today's video, and tomorrow we will run through an actual example under this category. Thank you again for listening.